Is your tankless water heater due for a deep clean? Keep it running like new with the complete tankless water heater descaling kit, your go-to solution for fast, effective maintenance. Everything you need is in the box: a powerful quarter horsepower utility pump, two 6-foot stainless steel hoses, a 4-gallon pail with a lid, a wrench, and easy to follow instructions. Let's get started. First, locate your tankless water heater and turn it off. Add 2 gallons of vinegar or your preferred descaling solution. Install the GHT adapter and stainless steel hoses to your isolation valve and the pump, color-coded for easy connection. Power on the pump and let it run for 30 minutes. The strong 1900 gallons per hour flow clears scale and mineral buildup with ease. Once done, disconnect the kit, flush your system, and restart your heater. It's that easy. The kit works with most tankless water heaters and is perfect for your any DIY homeowner. Protect your investment, extend the life of your heater, and get your tankless water heater descaling kit today.